Today we're looking at NIO. First, we have this very long-term uptrending support line. Back in mid-May, it bounced off this support and rose 48%. Meanwhile, we have this descending resistance line that helped form a symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangles are interesting because they're neither bullish nor bearish. It's a pattern that completes when the price breaks out on the upside or the downside. In this case, it broke out strongly on the upside and continued up. In fact, since the breakout, it gained 24%. So there were two good buy points recently. The first was on this bounce, even though there's this resistance coming across. So that you would have been taking a chance, but it's not a gamble. It's a qualified chance. The second buy point, which I'm calling the conservative buy point, would have been the optimal point because the least risk and the most volume, confirming a great time to buy. Now, we do see where I have this dotted line, there is a potential resistance. And I say potential because it doesn't really have three right on the money touches. It has these two first ones, but they're not really right on. Only one of them is right on. And this second one where we closed on Friday is also right on. So it's, in my mind, it doesn't qualify as a bona fide resistance, but it sure looks like one. I would say if it crosses past this dotted line on strong volume, then that could be a potential buy point. It would be an aggressive buy point because there's not a super strong indicator. The good thing though is Friday saw strong volume and there is another 45% of upside before it reaches the previous all-time highs. The big question is what to do right now. So I feel like the buy point had already passed. In my mind, this is a wait and see to see if it's going to make it through this potential resistance. There's a good chance that it'll bounce back down and move towards support. And if it does move back towards support, then bounces off of it with strong volume or even good solid average volume, then that's another golden opportunity to buy. Right now where it is, you could argue that it's made 3 or 4 attempts to go past this point and so far has not succeeded. That's why I marked this area as the resistance area. So in a nutshell, I would wait a little bit to see if it's going to cross this dotted line on strong volume. I would not be a bit surprised to see it move back towards support or whether it's going to break through this potential resistance. If you have any questions about NIO or technical analysis in general, please put your questions below and I will answer them. If there are other stocks you would like me to analyze, put those in the comment section and I'll make a video on them next week. Please subscribe to our channel to make sure you get the latest videos, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.